Oh, hi there, Gumboot Kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on.
When you're a Gumboot Kid.
Oh my. It's dusty out here. Oh, hi, Gumboot Kids. You know, this reminds me of an animal I saw today. It was rolling in the dirt. Its fur was thick and matted, and it was covered in dust. He was taking a dust bath. Who was this dusty bather? That's today's nature mystery, the case of the dusty bather. Let's check out my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve the mystery. Clue number 1.
Range. This looks like a range.
Oh, look.
Good work, nature detectives. Now, clue number 2.
Dung.
Ooh, I think I found it.
Looks like you stepped right into that clue. Now, clue number 3.
Horns.
Oh, look, those animals have horns.
So cool.
That's it, Gumboot Kids. You found all 3 clues. Now let's put them together to solve the case of the dusty bather. You found the range, a dung pile that led you to an animal with horns.
It's a bison.
That's right, Gumboot Kids. So what's with the dusty bather?
Oh, look. It's rolling in the dirt.
That's it, Gumboot Kids. Bison roll around in the dirt, called wallowing, to keep away biting flies and help shed fur.
We did it. Case closed. Yay!
Nice detective work, Gumboot Kids. Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. Just because bison are big, the biggest mammals in North America, they're not slow. In fact, bison are quick on their feet. They can run faster than a horse and jump 6 feet in the air. Observe how different animals move. It's fun to move like an animal.
Rolling, rolling in the dirt. Rolling, rolling in the dirt. Ooh, there's no flies on me. 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 Big, strong, furry and tough. I'm as fast as a jackrabbit. Big, strong, furry and tough. I'm as fast as a jackrabbit. I'll leave you in the dust. Rolling, rolling in the dirt. Rolling, rolling in the dirt. Rolling, rolling in the dirt. Ooh, there's no flies on me. 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 I'm a bison, a big and strong. I'm a bison, a big and strong. I'm a bison, big and strong. I bet you and I would get along. I'll leave you in the dust. I'm a bison.
What a day. We ran, we jumped, and tumbled. I even had a dust bath. See you soon, Gumboot Kids.
Good night, Scout.
Bison, big and strong. I'm a bison, big and strong. I'm a bison, big and strong. Big, strong, furry and tough. I'm as fast as a jackrabbit. Big, strong, furry and tough.